Devuri Sans Jintum Kasamestan. I'm very happy to have you here today. It's a good turnout. Kantar. This film is produced by my mother, Janet Norona, and Kishro, myself, several other talented Goan artists.
Congratulations, Esther.
Thank you.
I think the movie was awesome. It was very simple, very sweet, and there should be some more Goan movies coming up like this. And I think you're very humble, and the movie says it all.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
Thank you.
I like the movie very much, and I'm so glad to see that you have acted very nicely and showed us how to lead a good life when we are very sad also and in depression also, that we can win our own life heartily and happily. It's a very good movie, really. Bravo.
Thank you so much.
Abu Dhabi crowd, we are telling you all, the full gang is telling you all, please watch this. It is a must. It is the best Konkani film we have seen. True from the heart, I'm telling you. Very nice, very simple, easy to understand, okay? And the feelings are there. It's not that just watch and go, no, the feelings are there. So thank you very much, Esther. Good film.
Karzantan Kushal, तुझे Konkani picture तुझे कान आमीन पडेले देखो. And the scenery, आमच्या गावची, from our place. From Betul, I'm from that side and Chinchini side. Karzantan, Baradi, that chapel and everything. We are from nearby there.
Yes, the movie is amazing. I mean, it's so nice to see a young generation come up with such a good idea. We're so proud of you, Esther, and I'm sure this movie will really do very well. We are very happy and very proud of you. Good movie.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
You know, in your movie, you just introduced Jesus. I loved it, and when you say, when you introduce and when you thankful, no, just use once God's name, Jesus. Loved it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I like this movie. It is because it is inspiring and inspiring for the younger generation. And you deserve award for this excellent movie. First time in my lifetime I have seen a Konkani movie with great inspiration. Thank you for acting for this. Keep inspiring. And people in Abu Dhabi, in Sharjah, I request them to see the movie, get inspiration, and the story is wonderful.
Hi, it's been a beautiful movie. I was not expecting a Konkani movie of this standard. I think all the Goans, Mangaloreans, everybody who's there, Konkani speaking community should come forward and watch this movie. Lots of message to take back, inspiration, motivation, and I think Goa is portrayed in a very beautiful way to the world. Thank you, Esther. Thank you to your mom for coming up with a beautiful movie. And to everyone who's speaking Konkani, do come to watch this movie. It's definitely worth a watch. Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks.
Hello, movie bari alli, and storyline bari alli, and acting very alli. I'm Saktakade Makta, Tani Konkani movie प्रसाद
मस्त बरे लागले म्हाका मस्त बरे लागले तुमचें एक्टिंग मस्त बरें लागले तुम्ही मस्त सगळी दिसतात मुवींत आनी अशेंच आनी आमकां मुखारी की मुवीज जायचे तुमचे तावन आमी प्राऊड ऑफ यू and all of your team. Yeah, and Jackie Shroff in this age also he came and I mean he has acted language and yeah Konkani and he dedicatedly. I was not knowing that he has such a long acting in the movie. I thought he came just for a short time, but it's from the beginning to end he was there. Please Abu Dhabi guys, I request you guys, it's a beautiful movie and a life-changing movie. Anybody is there, I think depression or whatever, the life is an end. This is, you guys has to go and watch this movie and you will change your life. Guys, Abu Dhabi cheer of from Dubai, all cheers. You have to join this movie next Friday. Yes, please. Thank you, Esther. It's a beautiful. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, very nice. We enjoyed the film.
Very nice. More, really no words to say. And you have done really good. What you need more than that? Really, ending is so good, starting is so good, and it was fantastic. We enjoyed your movie. Really, Kantar is Kantar. I would know how to do life and what to life you taught.
Congratulations, Esther. Nice movie, well done, good acting, and it's motivating and what you can say in this motivation for the youth for their life. Good content, and I recommend all Konkani speaking people to watch it. Nice movie. Thanks.
It's a very lovely picture here. Thank you so much. It's a true meaning of life. I really enjoyed the movie and it's wonderful. Thank you so much for giving us such a nice movie the way it is.
It was a nice movie. I have seen many movies in Konkani, on the Konkani stage, but this movie was something different where a person can take a decision of his life and we make a mistake, but there is always somebody behind us. Sometimes we don't see the person, and that was very much brought onto the screen. Thank you very much.
Kantar is a beautiful movie which is an inspiration of love to live life. Don't waste it. That's it. What about?
Picturization is very nice. As a whole, the movie is complete, and I must say you're looking very beautiful and very nicely acted. And we all must watch this movie. Good inspiration for us. Thank you.
Awesome movie. And I will definitely recommend to my family and friends.
होय, कांतार म्हणजे खरंच जिविताची काणी इतली बरी केन्नाच हारचें न्हू संवसारान. फुडें वयचें, कितले त्रास पडले आनी बरें कांतार तुवें दाखोवन दिलां. रस्त्यान लांब चलचें, जिवीत लांब आसा आमचें, कांतार घेवन फुडें वयचें. वेल डन, वेरी गुड.
I thoroughly enjoyed and the way you presented the movie, the way you presented life rather. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, Esther, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Nice movie, very good acting and nice, very good directions. Everything is good. People must see this Kantar. Really nice. Very nice. We all enjoyed.
Something nice. It was a good movie. Bore's acting and very nice, very good. Songs were nice. The scenery was good and very good acting. Ashes tumi Konkaniche third and third movie karaje. Okay. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yes, it's a very, very well, directed as well as this. With a very good theme in it. We liked it. Life is always like this, with ups and downs, and you should take it like as a song. Yeah, that's it.
The locations were beautiful. Jackie Shroff was amazing. Yes, you cannot forget Jackie Shroff from there. You were looking beautiful and good acting. The script was good. The message what we have passed is amazing, and we look forward for more movies, more messages in a different manner, so that the little children which are growing up can look up to you.
Yes.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
It was in fact my first time watching a Konkani movie, so it was really nice to see something in our language, and I loved the way you acted. It was really good, and it showed the authenticity of Goa, which was really nice to see. Good job.
Want to say about the film?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it.
A big grist.
Happy? Oh, thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you.
But a picture with good storyline, good acting, and good meaning and motivating. आणि गोवाच्यांक आणि कोडियालच्यांक आयकून अर्थ जावचे बरी कोंकणी. देव बरें करूं कोंकणी भाशे खातीर काम केल्ले खातीर. All the best. Thank you.
For a Konkani movie, I'm really amazed with the storyline. The philosophy of life is really, the message of philosophy of life is really brought in well. And the scene, as usual, Goa. And a good Konkani movie. Thank you very much.
Yeah, congratulations to you and the whole team for a wonderful movie. I really enjoyed the movie and all the best. Yeah, thank you.
The movie was awesome. It was well directed, well scripted, and congratulations to you all and the full team. Amazing job.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Excellent movie. I liked it, the Kantar movie. Very excellent. Good inspiration to the youth. I really like it. And I hope everything for a young generation, they be inspired with your movie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My heart is still beating. Beautifully captured. And you have, in true essence, you have captured the spirit of Goa. Really proud of you. And really proud of the thing that on an international screen, we got to see Goa. Today I miss Goa.
Thank you so much. Thanks
It's really an amazing true story, and I really liked it because through this story it showed that life is so precious. Yeah. Yes. God bless you. Yeah.
Goes without saying, you have won the hearts of many, and I really love to see you. And first time Konkani film is so beautiful, and it will do many stages. I wish you Diamond Jubilee for this film and many more in future.
Thank you. People all around.
This movie is for the young and the old also. I think all the people from Goa should come for this movie. Watch this movie. This is a message from me to all the Goan. My sister is here. My wife is here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, Douglas. Wonderful movie, really enjoy, and wish you all the best. Keep going.
It was fantastic, your Kantar movie. I was very happy to see my friend Louis Bachchan and Nightingale Lorna singing along with your movie. I hope you bring another movie next time. I'm waiting to watch it.
Hopefully, with your support, if you all keep coming, then we'll keep making
Yes.
movies for you.
God bless and good luck for you.
Thank you.